Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a photo merge on Photoshop. So the first thing you need to do is open a new sheet of paper. So go File, New. You need to call it kind of Photo Montage Building and select International Paper and go for A4 paper, which means when you print it, it'll be A4. If you want to do an A3 one, there's A3. Okay. Then you might need to flip it around so the page is in a different setup. So you go to Image, Rotation, 90 degrees. Okay. So what you're now going to do is to go up to the top panel, go File, Automate, and go down to Photomerge. You're going to select whatever files it is that you want to merge together into one image. So I've got a few pictures of a building. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they're just individual photos. It doesn't always work with photo montage. Sometimes you have to play around a bit. So I've selected all of them. You've also got all these different kind of options. I'm just going to let the computer do the auto mode and see how that turns out. So I'm going to push OK. So it's now importing the 4 or 5 pictures. And it starts to shuffle them around and find the best fit to stitch them all together as a jigsaw puzzle. It normally takes a few minutes. And then it generates the photo back onto your A4 sheet. So this is just one way of doing a photo merge. Okay, and then you see the computer's done all the work. I haven't actually had to do anything at all. And all I need to do now is I could put a background behind it if I wanted to create another layer. You could put a background behind it if you wanted to. When you're saving an image, you always make sure you save as a Photoshop file to begin with, because it means that you can re-edit it and you can play around with the layers. And then when you want to save it for printing, also save it as a JPEG. Okay, so File, Save, and you can choose how big you want the file. I tend to go for high to maximum. Okay, so that is using Photomerge and Automate.